Hi there, students. Attribute. An attribute. To attribute. Okay, an attribute is a characteristic or quality of something. His best attribute is his enthusiasm for everything. He has all the attributes of a sportsman could want. He's strong, he's athletic, he's keen, he's dedicated, he's muscular. So an attribute, a characteristic, a feature, a property, a quality. The flaws in my character, flaw, F-L-A-W, are my bad attributes. Then we can use to attribute as a verb to ascribe a reason to something, to ascribe a reason why something happened, to decide a particular thing is the cause of something else. I attribute his success to hard work and enthusiasm. Yeah? They attributed the failure of the project to lack of funding. I'm sure there are going to be many bankruptcies attributable to this COVID epidemic. We can also use attribute to mean to assign the authorship of a work to somebody. To say that an artistic work, in your opinion, your expert opinion, has been done by something. This picture has been attributed to Velázquez by experts. So the experts say that Velázquez painted it, but there is no absolute proof. There's no signature. There's no paperwork to say this was by him. This play has been attributed to Shakespeare. The experts say he wrote it. Okay, we can also use attribute as a noun to say something, a characteristic object that is associated with something else. So, for example, the chemist, the pharmacy. One of its attributes is the sign of the serpent and the cup of Hygienia. One of the attributes of Zeus are his thunderbolts, or an attribute of Poseidon is his trident. Something that is normally associated with something else. We can use this word attribute in language and grammar as well. An attribute is a qualifier. A qualifier is a word that limits or enhances another word. So, this is good. This is very good. Very is your attribute. A book. This is your book. Your is the attribute again. And in computing, they use attribute to talk about an assigned value or a property of something. So, an attribute, a quality or characteristic. To attribute, to assign a reason to or a cause to a given effect. An attribute, a qualifier in language. So, next question, how formal? I think I'd probably give attribute a 6, maybe 6.5 in the formality. You could say a characteristic informally. I think you could just about use it informally, but in something semi-formal or more formal, it probably sounds better. To attribute is a regular verb. He attributed the painting to his uncle. He has attributed this as the reason for the success. Okay, and as to origin, we have a Latin verb, attribuere, to attribute. Add, to, tribuere, to allot. So to allot to give to prescribe to. Okay? So an attribute, a quality. To attribute, to give a cause to something. Or to say that a work, an artistic work, has been created by someone, in your opinion. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Attribute.